Today we're going to review the Adventure Heat Even Pro camp set from Stanley. We found it to be a great set, packs up nice and compactly for a family of 4. So this is exactly what we use when we go car camping as a family. Just used it a couple weeks ago with my kids, and I'll show you how it works. All right, so first thing, you've got this nice bungee to kind of tie it all together. So we're going to take the bungee off. You can see it goes like this. Put the bungee back on. Pretty simple. Pull it back over the sides. Of course, you got the nice top, and the cool part is it shows you exactly how to put everything back together. So when you're at the campsite and you're having a moment where you can't quite figure it out, this shows you the way. And as you'll see, I didn't even have to pack it back in this exact way, just get it close. So it comes with 2 trivets, which are very nice to have. I obviously want to use them to pick up the pot when it's nice and hot, set it down on the pot after it's nice and boiling. It also comes with this cutting board, which is probably the one piece that I really feel kind of lacks the most. I think it's useful to have a cutting board that's, you know, decently big size, but just due to the flimsiness of it, it's really hard to hold together. You can use it. I mean, it certainly is going to be serviceable, but this is probably the one thing that I would, you know, leave at home and bring your own, because cutting boards are pretty small. They're not hard to pack car camping, so it's not a huge deal. Then next up, we've got the frying pan. Cool part about the frying pan here is the handle just folds in like that. Boom, you're back and ready to go. You've got your frying pan. So kind of take a little look here. Nice size frying pan. You can easily fit 2, 3, even 4 eggs on this thing. Get some bacon in here. It's a big enough size for a family of 4. And then you've got the smaller pot. Same thing, handle, squeeze it in, flips over, you're ready to go. The nice part about this is it's got a lid on it. It's got vents, so if you're boiling something, you can easily pour it out. And inside of this, surprise, surprise, we've got our utensils. And these are nice. They split into 2 pieces. You can fit right in. You can do it right, which I can't. There we go. All right, so that's actually for the spatula. Boom. Spatula is ready to go. And then this one's for the spoon. Boom. Spoon is ready to go as well. For now you're ready to go camping with a couple utensils. We tend to bring our own, so we actually haven't used these, but I can see the value in having these, especially if you want to pack light, or if you have a smaller car and you need to pack everything nice and together. That's where this really comes in handy. And then, of course, last but not least, we've got the main pot, which is quite big. I mean, you can cook a lot of stuff in here. You can see the markings on the inside. Actually, they're on the outside here. It shows you the amount of volume. You got 1 liter here, 3 liter here. We like to make mac and cheese in this. You know, the only thing you don't want to do with the stainless steel is you don't want to get in there and scratch up the bottom, use too much oil. That's going to really cause you problems. That's really probably one of the negatives. So this is an 11-piece set for 4 people. That's all the stuff that we've got. It weighs all in all 8.2 pounds, so it's not too heavy, but it is, you know, it is stainless steel. It's decently substantial. You can cook for a family of 4. Pretty much everything you need to cook outdoors if you want, other than the camp stove, is there. Stanley products come with a lifetime warranty, and you can even use this over a fire. What you'd want to do is build some sort of cooking stand or use it off indirect heat, not directly on the fire. But stainless steel will be able to handle up to about 500 to 600 degrees, excuse me. So you can cook it on a fire, just not directly. You can use with the fire, just not directly on the fire. And then really, you know, the cons are that it's a little bit more difficult to clean than some of the other metals, but we love this product. This is something that we're going to be using for years to come. And, oops, to pack it all back up, it's pretty easy. Take apart everything. Bing, bang, boom. Put these back in. You squeeze the handles to get it back in, just like so. and then fold it up over. So once you get the top on, fold it over, now you're good to go. That goes in there. Same thing here. Pull this back, squeeze it, flip it back, and good to go. And as we found, you can just stick these in here, this down here, and pretty much good to go. And then the bungee cord, like I showed you at the beginning, goes right over the top, and pull over the sides, and you are locked and loaded, ready to go camping. Let's do this. Great product, highly recommend it. Especially worth it to have a separate set of camping pots and pans. You don't want to have to use your pans from home and worry about messing them up on the fire or try to figure out exactly what you need. I love to be able to grab all my stuff I need for camping and just head right to the campsite.